Hello! In this module, we will be working on the courtyard image. I have already placed the trees in the scene according to the plan. Trees are an important part of the composition, so it would be really hard to set up the camera without them. We also have the buildings here. Here is the side layer. And here are the trees mentioned before. Let's create the camera. I will select the tree and go into the perspective mode first though. Turn on the save frame so it's easier to set up the camera. I will make the perspective a bit wider. Actually, it will be easier to draw the camera in the viewport as it's hard to navigate in the perspective mode in this scene. I will start with something like this. Then move the camera up to 120 cm level. Go to the render settings and adjust the resolution. I will go with 1.5 to 1 aspect ratio. Let's move the camera somewhere here and then adjust the focal length. I will set it up to 24 mm. Maybe 30. Let's move the target far from the camera so it's easier to adjust it. Try to find the best position for the camera. I will turn on the Composition Helper script and use the rule of thirds. Let's move the target up, so the ground is in the 1/3 of the image. The trees are in the second third, and the sky is in the top third. Next, I will move the whole camera. I'm trying to adjust the camera by moving it around. I will go back to the target again and adjust it a bit more. Okay, I'm quite happy with the position. Next, I will use the trees to crop the image on top. Let's copy this tree as an instance, as it is the proxy. Then make it a bit smaller and try to place it so it's visible just in the corner. Rotate it and maybe move down to find the best position. We can also isolate the selection so it's easier to see the tree. Let's turn on the composition rule. Try to keep it within 2/3 of the frame. Looking good. I will duplicate this tree again and place it in the top right corner. You can also isolate it so it's easier to adjust the position. Keep it in the top right corner of the composition rule. Select the camera and set the f-stop value to 4. This will give us a blurred foreground later on. Let's enable the depth of field effect and adjust the focus. Actually, before that, let's turn on the automatic vertical tilt so the vertical lines are straight. And finally, let's override the focus. You can see the focus line in the viewport. Let's set it up for the playground. That's it. I'm very happy with the result.